It Raven already ruined Larry's life. And also, she ruined my gift from me. It was Larry's gift from me. What was her problem? I mean, what was her problem? And also, if I see that Raven does that to everyone, then I will stay away from her because she's one active demon. According to her, she is 100% done. Yep, 100% done with all this. If she does this again, oh, she's 100% done with this. 100%. And also, everything is, I don't know, everything will go back to normal or not, but she needs to quit or she's leaving the community. Ah, Kit! Raven is doing that again! Coming, Breeze. I had to go now. I had to get Raven uncontrolled. If she does this again, she's 100% done what I said. I never percent Raven is that mean to all of us. And also, what did we did to her? And also, she also be the horrible demon I ever seen. And also, why is Raven being like this to us? And also, I can't believe Raven's being mean to us. I am scared right now. Really scared. Even Titipo and Diesel and they're really scared of Raven too. We also stay 100 feet away from Raven. She thinks she's the boss of this community, but she's not. Oh boy. If she ever does this again, she is done as miserable. Yeah, done is miserable. Raven, what did you do? What did you do to my camera? Hey, what are you doing to us? Yeah, what are you doing to us? Astratria Zentos. Oh, I can't believe this. Donald, is the camera still on? I don't know, Douglas. We have to check. Oh, yes, it's still on. Whoa. Hey, Donald, you're a pony. So are you. Whoa. And what do you call those numbers? You got your number and then we got our numbers. And oh my, we got a scarf. And our hats. And also, we got hairstylish. I guess Raven turned us into ponies. I think our numbers are cutie marks. Oh my. Oh, that Raven is gonna pay for this. Yes. Yeah, I agree, Donnie. What in the world is Raven thinking? She also messed up all my paperworks. If she gets angry again, she is out of here. Really out of here. She messed up my paperworks. Even my own paperworks. Her and her Asmatrion Zentos of hers. Now I have to go back and start over again. What is her problem?